Madam,
To improve Python program performance, you have to follow 4 techniques. SAAD. S-A-A-D. S stands for Standard Library. The standard library built-in functions perform very well compared to the user implementation function. So wherever it is possible, try to make use of the standard library built-in functions. A stands for abstraction. Lot of usage of abstraction and indirect method calling may slower the performance. So try to avoid the abstraction as much as possible. Second A. A for algorithm. Your algorithm should be strong and suitable enough for your requirement. The last one. D. D stands for data structure. Make use of the proper data structure which will suit your need to do the Python program. By following these 4 techniques, you can improve your Python program performance: standard library, abstraction, algorithm, and data structure.
Yes.